Y'all really gonna hate me on this one, and that is caffeine. We got some coffee drinkers in the room. We got some of them people going to Starbucks all the time. Hey, ooh, I'm on Starbucks. It's so good. But it is a diuretic. That's the first thing. And diuretic means it's going to make you go to the bathroom. How quickly we need to go to the bathroom when we in the middle of a show? It does not help. Okay? And some of y'all have that caffeinated tea. The caffeinated tea, all of these things dehydrate you. They are not bringing in moisture to your vocal cords. They're drying them up. And they may dry them up to the point where when you have a dry throat, the air is supposed to slide through. Slide. The air is supposed to just slide out and slide through, but it cannot do that if it is dry. Like I call it going through the Rocky Mountains. If you was in the mountains, you know how the air goes through the mountains and it cuts and you can hear it. It'll do the same thing inside your mouth. Your mouth is the Rocky Mountain and it's dry. And we'll hear that sound when it comes out. You want moisture inside of the mouth so the air can flow gently through. So if you have caffeine, it messes with your mucus production. It messes with the mucus. So if it messes with the mucus, you're like, wait a minute. So that means I'm not going to have much mucus? That's exactly right, because it dehydrates you. It takes away from all those things that you normally need. You do need some mucus. You don't need over mucus. You don't need too much mucus, but you do need some. So, and this is what happens a lot when you are dealing with caffeine, because you don't even realize you're drying yourself out like that.